Hello friend and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn how to make knurls, and the reason why I am making this video because I have seen there are lot of videos on YouTube who tells you how to make knurls, but the reason is that to make the video on this knurling operation because those all videos are not satisfying, because in practical if you ever saw knurl, it look like something like this. Okay, so if you see clearly, the knurl have a pyramid like structure, okay, with a pointed tip on the top. So if and you go and search for other videos, they will always something wrong. You can, if you look very closely, you can see there is nothing like this, means it does not look the similar. Okay, so this is the reason why I am making this video. So if you can also see other pics which I have for you. See, actually this part I have made one of these entire shaft. So this entire shaft is being manufactured by me on obviously on lathe machine, and this knurling is done by me. Okay, so that's why I would like to share my knowledge by the medium of this video. Okay, so let's get started with the making of knurl on solidworks. So I have to minimize this, and here we are. So this is something we are going to make. Now we are not going to focus on this threaded portion, but if you would like to learn how to make threads, then you can go to my channel and see how to make the single start and 16 thread. Okay, so right now we are just going to focus on this knurling part of this entire component, and let's get started with it. Now I'm going to minimize it, and okay, so let me close this also, discard sketch, and discard that object too. Now as we start a new window, here you have to go into front view, sketch. Now you can choose this 3-point center rectangle which comes under this dialog box, is in rectangle. Now just click over here, and this, now you have to give relations. Just do that vertical and it is horizontal, and we are going to give him dimension. Now this should be 2. Okay, and we will go out of the sketch, and now we are going to extrude this till 2 with draft of 45 degrees. Make sure this should be 45 degree, because if I go little deeper into details, then I have to tell you about the tool, the knurling tool. So I am not going into that much detail. Okay, so because the teeth of the tooth are oriented on 45 degrees. So right now we just are going to focus on how to make knurls. So just follow my directions. This is 45 degrees. Okay, and click OK. Now we got that basic part, means that pyramid like structure, and now just what we have to do, we have to put that on a circular profile, means on a cylindrical shaft. Okay, now what we are going to do, we are going to go on top plane. Yeah, this is our top plane, and let me do one thing. to do this border. Okay, and now on top we are going to do sketch in our top plane, so it's look like this. So to rectify this, we just have to skip our sketch, go to this boss, and we will going to flip it, so that when we sketch it will little bit easier for us to do sketch. Now again we will go into top plane, and I've already made the sketch which is going to look like this. Okay, so all the dimension you can see over here. Okay, 56.8, all those dimensions are here. Please do not worry, because this is done with the help of rectangles and lines. So this is just this is not hard and fast, so it is just a simple sketch. Okay, if you will pause the video, you will get to know how I make this, and let me share all the dimension with you. Okay, so please stay with me so that you can easily make this diagram. Right, this should be 8. Okay, cancel it. Now this how should workpiece will going to be look like. Okay, now we are going to use circular, means revolve. Now it requires axis, so here we have the axis, and the half of the sketch which you have made will going to rotate itself, and it will look like this. Okay, so now our pyramid is over here, means the diamond is over here. Now what we have to do, we have to create a circle, and we will going to make that circle on this plane. Sketch, and we will going to click here, and then the edge of the boundaries, means we have a little shoulder over here, so we will going to click and leave it. Now we will exit the sketch, and then we will go in helix and spherical. Okay, now as we click on the command, this dialog box will appear over here, and do not you have to worry about anything. Just click on the circle on that sketch which you have make, and we have to flip the reverse direction, and we have to reduce the pitch. Now just bear with me, and starting angle is also right. You just have to increase the pitch. Okay, and start angle should be 0. Okay, so it will going to look like something this. You can minimize this also, the revolution one, maybe 0.2 will be enough, I think. Yeah, it is. And okay, now we have a curve, so we are going to use our curve driven pattern. So it is automatically have taken the direction, and just now we have to do is click here. Okay, now we have to decrease this 0.1, 1.2 I think, and the number of should be 3, equal spacing normal to this face, and now you can able to see the preview. Okay, so there should be space, appropriate space in between, so we are going to do 1.5. okay, and then you can see how it's going to look like, and we can increase the number of items. Okay, 8. Okay, so that's it. Now we will do okay. Here we have our thread, means our knurl, and then we will go in circular pattern. Now this is our circular pattern. We have to choose on which we have to do this, and here you can see, but the space is uneven. Okay, so we will, for this we can increase the number of items, and means number of pyramids, if we see it a little bit clearly. So that's this how you are going to make a knurling operation on any circular part. Okay, so I think that should be enough explanation for meanwhile, and please tell me if you like this video. Okay, please share it as much as you can, so that everybody can could take benefits from this video. And at the edges, this here and here, we can apply chamfer. Chamfer is over here, so you can apply over here the chamfer of 2, because it is very small component, so it is not possible to make an chamfer of 10 or even 1 also. 0.5 will be enough. Yeah, 0.5 should be enough. So this is our chamfer, and you can apply the chamfer over here too. You can go in this and apply chamfer over here, and now we are good to go. So that's how you're going to perform any knurling operation. So we can minimize this. Okay, so that's how you're going to make a knurling in SolidWorks. So I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I hope that you all are doing well in this pandemic situation. So thank you for watching my video.